Hello! With this video I would like to show you how to build a fully operational solid-state Geiger counter with just 3 electronic components. At first you need a sensor BG51 for beta particles and gamma ray. This sensor is available from the Viso company. Second, a 4.5 volt battery. With the BG51 sensor, 3 AAA batteries last for over 5 years uninterrupted operation. Third, a smartphone headset with a 3.5mm jack. It has to be connected to the signal output of the BG51, which provides pulses strong enough to produce 1 click in the headphone for each nuclear impact detected by the sensor. In order to record the sound with the camera, I connect now a smartphone speaker in place of the phone headset. For a first test, I use a sensor tester which is also available at the Viso. This tester contains a small amount of pitchblende, which is a natural radioactive mineral. Each click you hear is 1 impact of an electron or a photon on the sensor. Another source of radioactivity are gas lantern mantles of earlier years. They contained traces of radioactive thorium. Old luminous watches used radium to illuminate the dials and fingers. This was my grandfather's pocket clock. Finally, I show you the schematic diagram for the connection of the components. As a next step, you may want to monitor and record radiation dose. I suggest to add an Arduino board with a display and an appropriate program. Here is a good website to start with. Now I wish you good luck and have fun building your own solid-state Geiger counter.